What's going on, everybody? I got some good news. Guess who's here? What? Lily's here for the week, right?
Yeah.
Yay! Yup. You do have stinky feet, really stinky feet. So we're gonna be playing this week and we're gonna be doing all kinds of crazy stuff, right? Well, not really too crazy. Oh no, my pizza pie!
No!
Ready for some soup?
I'm not gonna make a pizza pie.
Alright, so something that we wanted to show everybody is, oh, he ran away, is our little bunny! So we started working on a video yesterday and it didn't work out so well. But today we're gonna go outside and hang out and we're staying home. Yep, we're staying home.
Outside.
Why not?
It's so hot.
It is gorgeous outside. She has no idea.
hot.
She has no idea what she's talking about. It's beautiful out there. Look, the sun is beaming on you. So, since we're staying home because of reasons that are going on, I think everybody probably knows, but we're staying in and we're not going out, we're not going places, and we're gonna go work out in the garden. Lily's in her Spider-Man PJs, again, of course. It's her favorite PJs, and she's eating her fruit snacks. And we've been playing Legos and watching TV all morning. Woo! And we ate breakfast before the fruit snacks, don't worry. And we played with the bunny, a whole bunch of stuff. So, we got things coming at you. Let's do it. Okay, let's see.
Penguin.
What are you doing? Okay, so I'm going to show everybody how the greenhouse is going. I planted some potatoes in the bucket there, and we have some beans planted along the outside of the trellis. I have it open right now so that way it can kind of circulate some air. But let's check out the tomatoes. Look at that. And they all seem to be doing really good in here. And the greenhouse seems great so far. I haven't had any issues with it. I just come out here every day. There is some water building up at the top of it. But I just come out here every day and kind of open up the flap right here. And let the air kind of circulate through, and so far the tomatoes are doing great. And I like that now, once the beans start growing on the sides of the trellises here, they'll kind of cover over the top of the greenhouse. Yeah, and then next thing we got to do, we're going to work on clearing out the peppers over there. Let's see how the ladies are doing today. Hey, girls. Lily's fixing the chicken cage a little bit. She's got her hammer. She's got all her tools out. Fixing the chicken cage up a little bit. Let's see if we have any eggs this. There we go. We got 2 eggs! Yay! And we gotta clean the coop a little bit, right? And then let's check out how everything made it through all the rain that we got last night. Hey Lily, you wanna show everybody where the lettuce is?
No.
Yeah, Oh no, the lettuce is over here. Come show everybody. That's the lettuce. It looks like it grew a whole bunch overnight. Some seeds. I brought this table out here so that way we can get everything set up right here in front of the greenhouse, and the seeds are going to go in the greenhouse once we're done putting them in here. So I use these seed starters. I think I got them off Amazon. They're pretty cheap and they're good to use. They have a little plastic cover that goes over them, but since I'm going to be putting them in the greenhouse to start them, I'm not worried about the plastic cover. Lily's got her Paw Patrol gloves that she's going to be wearing and her frozen shovel. And the seeds that we're going to be planting are going to be Cubanelle pepper seeds. We're going to be doing a lot of peppers. We're going to be doing bell peppers. We're going to be doing grande jalapeno peppers. I'm also going to be using Miracle Grow seed starting potting mix. Okay, so what we did, and what Lily's doing right now, is she's opening up. What are those? What are those in there? They're what? You gotta tell everybody, what are those? Are those bell peppers?
Bell peppers.
That's right. So what Lily's doing is she's opening up the bell peppers. So basically what I did is I filled these up with, and Lily helped, of course, we filled these up with seed starting mix, and we filled them up pretty loosely, right? And all the excess we kind of shake off, and all this will get cleaned up and put back in the bag. So what Lily's doing is she's putting, well, I guess 2 bell peppers each, but you just want to put one, just put one in each. And then as you sit them on there, you just kind of push them down a little bit, right? So she's doing the bell peppers. This will all be bell pepper right there. We'll do jalapeno peppers. Okay. Okay, you do that one. Then
This is mine.
they're all yours. They're all yours. Can Daddy help? Can Daddy do the jalapenos? Thank you. It's always nice to ask if I can help.
You do tomatoes.
Tomatoes, tomatoes. Okay, so now we're gonna spray these down. We're gonna do it, I'm gonna show Lily how to do it, and then she's gonna go ahead and do it. The reason I'd rather spray these down is because a lot of times when using a watering can or something of that nature, what ends up happening is when you pour the water in there, the water goes up behind the seed and it scoops it out. Here, I'm gonna spray this one. So we'll let Lily work on spraying those down, the seed at that point. Then it doesn't end up mattering at all too much as Lily sprays me. Give me that. So yeah, that's how you put some seeds into dirt. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Check it out and stay with us. Our original video was going to be a cooking video, but as you can see, just in doing this little thing here. It's really hard to keep my eyes on her, keep my eyes on the video, and keep talking and do everything at the same time. So cooking with a 3-year-old is tough. Way tougher than I was up for the challenge for. But hopefully soon we'll be able to do a simple cooking video for tonight, since it's the next night, and we made soup last night, which was going to be the video of us making soup. I will still at some point give a recipe for the soup that I make, because it gets her to eat a lot of delicious, yummy vegetables that she enjoys. And tonight we made fries. We're doing French fries. We're doing it simple because cooking with a 3-year-old is tough. So, see everybody next time. Like I said, like and subscribe. Tell everybody.
Listen, fun.
Exactly. And what are we going to say? What's our outro? What's our outro? Do we say, bye everybody, love you?
Bye, everybody. Love you.
All right. There you go. Awesome. That was great. Give me a high five. That was great. Really, you have salt all over here. Perfect. He loves you. I love you. I gotta get my safety gloves on to eat French fries.
Okay.